Hi, I'm Sara from sewingmastery.com, and we're about ready to embark on filming all the videos for the Pfaff Creative Icon sewing and embroidery machine. And people always ask, well, what makes it so amazing? And I'm going to kind of go through just some highlights, but there is no way to experience this without actually sitting down in front of it and sewing on it, embroidering on it. So I hope you'll check out with your local Pfaff retailer some of those things that you just can't experience unless you touch this machine. But we do have a whole series of videos that we are making that can help you experience what some of those things look like some of the decorative stitches, some of the quilting, some of the embroidery. And I hope that you'll look at those as a way to see if this is the right machine for you. So one thing that I noticed when I opened it up, this machine it's larger, it's bigger, but it's not the heaviest machine of the top of line series of all the brands. And I say that in a good way because as you get to a bigger machine, they are heavy. But this one has actually been designed to still be worth its weight, but it's not so heavy you can't pick it up. The lighting on here is amazing. The lighting goes all the way across, and they have worked so hard to get it so there's not shadows where your hands are. There's the Pfaff IDT. That's like the integrated dual feed or walking foot system that's been on Pfaffs forever, and it's on this machine. 9mm wide stitches, which when I talk about our Pfaff Stitching Cosmos and I got to play with all the decorative stitches, this was like a playground. I just couldn't stop stitching out all the cool, especially the exclusive stitches. So we'll talk about some of the floating stitches, the ribbon stitches, things that are not on other Pfaff machines currently that are on this machine. From the speed of this machine to the giant bobbin, yes, they made the bobbin bigger, to the enlarged touchscreen makes it just so easy to find your way around. Your manual is built in here. You can actually search. There's over 100 videos just in this machine. So on top of all the ones I'm doing, there's videos at your fingertips that you can access. Plus, we have Wi-Fi capability. You hook this up to your home Wi-Fi, you're going to get updates when there's new updates. You're going to get free designs. There's a blog. And you can send embroidery designs from your computer to the cloud and they magically show up on this machine. Totally worth it. Now there's still 2 USB ports on the side of this machine, so if you're used to transferring embroidery designs via USB stick, all you have to do is save them there, use them, no problem. But you have your own free cloud storage where you can save all those designs and then they're with you wherever you have internet. So let's talk a little bit about the embroidery side of this machine. So this hoop is the largest hoop that comes with this machine. There's technically one bigger, and it's kind of set up as a double wide. So it's still, this is the embroidery space. We're talking about a 360 by 260 hoop, and that is approximately 10 inches across by 14 inches tall. That is ginormous. And this comes with the machine. There's actually 2 other hoops, slightly smaller, kind of a nice medium size, and a smaller hoop that come with this machine. I'm excited because not all brands include their largest hoop with their machine. This one does. So you're already set to do super large embroidery without having to go and buy more hoops. The embroidery arm is amazing. It's strong. So if you want to do like in the hoop quilting on your embroidery machine, put that hoop in there, get it on the machine, and start quilting. There is so much that you can do. And the built-in designs, there's thousands, hundreds of thousands of designs available for you. But when you have a hoop this large, nobody's going to tell you you can't do that. So no matter what your embroidery style is, this machine will keep up with you. I did mention speed of the sewing and in the embroidery side, so things get done a lot faster. I know people tell me all the time that that's not important, but who wants a slow car when you can have a fast car when you actually get out and have time to drive it? So definitely take a look at your local Pfaff retailer and see if this machine is right for you. Sit in front of it, sew on it, do a little embroidery. Then you tell me why I get so excited about this machine. So I've got like about 120 videos to get started with. I can't wait to get into every corner of this machine. Check out our 2 online courses that we have for you to master this machine, the Pfaff Stitching Cosmos and the Embroidery Essentials online course if you want to master even more parts of this machine and going beyond what you probably never thought was capable with a machine in your own home.